So good morning all. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So today actually our scheduled time is 10 o'clock itself only, but just I started by early 9:25. So you may be joining slowly. In the last class we have discussed. In the last class we have discussed up to. Okay, 1 minute. Let us check the. Right. Okay, now still joining. Sumant, Akshay Diman, Swati Singh, Chandana Sri, Vinodha, Bhumika. Right. Okay. Vinoda. Right. So this was the last question we have discussed yesterday. So now straight lines. Part 6. Part 6. Okay. First question. Sorry. 60-second question. 60-second question. So just the first problem. Now we are going to start. If A equals to 1 comma 1, P equals to x comma y. P equals to x comma y. Balu, you will be getting, don't worry, later. Such that the slope of AP is 1 and AP is equal to root 2. AP is equal to root 2. Then x comma y, that means coordinates of P, we need to find out. Right, Pradeep Kumar, actually after a long time you seem to be right. Deepu, you are also new. X comma y equals to, first option -1 comma -1, second option 2 comma 2, third option 1 comma -1, fourth option is -1 comma -1. This is the question. Good morning. Okay, right. So now a equals to 1 comma 1, p equals to x comma y, such that the slope of AP is 1. The distance from A to P is root 2 units. Then x comma y we need to find out. So that means actually here you take a straight line, take the 2 points A point and P point. So A coordinates are given by 1 comma 1, P coordinates are given by x comma y. Now the distance from A to P is given, that is root 2. This will be root 2. And slope of AP given. Slope of AP means actually indirectly solution. Slope m is equal to 1. That means tan theta is equal to 1. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. This is the angle of inclination of a line. So that means now we need to find out actually here the p coordinates which are at a distance of root 2 units from 1 comma 1. So that means we need to find out the coordinates of p which are at a distance of root 2 units from A. So that means parametric equations we need to use. So that means x is equal to x1 plus r cos theta. So y equals to y1 plus r sin theta. So now I will tell you here it's very clear that x1 comma y1 is equal to 1 comma 1. This is equal to r value. Already theta is known. Substituting here, x is equal to 1 plus r is root 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So root 2 cancel. The x will be 2. So in the similar manner, y is equal to 1 plus r is root 2. Even sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. Root 2 cancel. 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, p of x comma y is equal to, you get p of 2 comma 2. So answer is second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Yes, option 2 is the right option. Sixty-third problem. 63rd problem. Just now it's a second problem. This is the slope of a straight line, the slope of a straight line passing through a minus 2 comma 3, a minus 2 comma 3 is minus 4 by 3, the points on the line that are 10 units away from A, from the point A, R. First option minus 8 comma 11, 4 comma minus 5. Second option minus 7 comma 9, 17 comma minus 1. Third option 7 comma 5, minus 1 comma minus 1. Fourth option 6 comma 5, 6 comma 10, 3 comma 5. So this is the question. Right. The slope of a straight line passing through a minus 2 comma 3 is minus 4 by 3. The points on the line that are 10 units away from the point A. That means now we need to find out the points which are at a distance of 10 units from A minus 2 comma 3 whose slope is minus 4 by 3. So that means actually here what we need to do means we need to use the parametric equations. X is equal to x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus or minus r sin theta. But here we need to find out sin theta and cos theta with the help of the slope. Slope means tan theta value is given. With the help of tan theta, we need to find out first of all sin theta and cos theta. A coordinates means x1 comma y1. 10 units means r is equal to 10, so that we can find out A. So let us move to the next page. 63rd solution. First take a triangle. For example, say theta. It's a right angle. That means tan theta is equal to how much given here? Minus 4 by 3, because slope of the line is minus 4 by 3. Okay, so minus 4 by 3 means actually theta lies between like this, 0 degrees less than theta, theta less than pi. That means theta belongs to the here first quadrant and second quadrant. But negative means theta lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant actually sign is positive. That's why this should be taken minus 4. This should be taken minus 3. Obviously 5. Now we can write sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Sin theta should be positive. This is very important criteria. Cos theta should be negative as tan theta is negative. So that will be minus 3 by 5. This is very, very important. Please remember. So whenever like this, if theta is the inclination of the line, tan theta is negative, sin theta we need to take positive, cos theta we need to take negative, so that we get tan theta negative. And actually now here you see, let us come to the problem now. A coordinates are minus 2 comma 3. Say this is x1 comma y1, and we need a points which are at a distance of 10 units. R is equal to 10 units, and we know sin theta and cos theta, parametric equations. X is equal to x1 plus r minus r cos theta. So substitute minus 2 plus r minus r is 10, cos theta is minus 3 by 5. So we get this is minus 2, minus into plus, minus plus 5 to ja 6. Now y equals to, we get y1 plus r minus r sin theta. So therefore this will be 3, y1 is equal to 3 plus r minus r is 10 only, sin theta is positive, that is very important, 4 by 5. Here you get 3 plus or minus 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 8. Now how to take the points means required points are see you need to get like this now. First minus 2 minus 6 comma 3 plus 8. This is one point, or other point is minus 2 plus 6 comma 3 minus 8. So that implies minus 8 comma 11 or 4 comma minus 5. Now tell me which is the right option. Minus 8 comma 11 and 4 comma minus 4 comma, okay, right, minus 8 comma 11 or 4 comma minus 5. Understood now? So first option is the right option. 64th question. 64th question. 64th. A straight line passes through straight line passes through 4 comma 5 and makes an angle 60 degrees with x-axis in the positive direction. Its equation in parametric form. That means symmetric form. First option, x is equal to root 3 lambda is the constant, plus 4 or parameter, y equals to lambda plus 5. Second option, x equals to lambda plus 4, y equals to 3 lambda plus 5. Third option, x equals to root 3 lambda minus 4, y equals to lambda plus 5. Fourth option, x is equal to lambda minus 4, y equals to lambda plus 5. So this is the question. Mr. Hariprasad Reddy, I don't know Tamil. Could you translate into English or Telugu? Right. A straight line passes through 4, 5 and makes an angle 60 degrees with x-axis in the positive direction. That means inclination of the line is given and point passes through the 4, 5. First we need to find the symmetric form. Symmetric form is given by x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta. So that we will get it now. So let us 64th problem. Solution. First let the given data write down. Point given a 4, 5. Am I correct now? And inclination theta is equal to how much given? 60 degrees. Symmetric form. Symmetric form. Symmetric form is x minus x1 by cos theta equals to y minus y1 by sin theta. Okay, substituting x minus x1 by 1 minute. x1 means 4, x minus 4 by cos theta, cos 60 equal to y minus 5 by sin 60. Say lambda, because answer is in terms of lambda. We can write x minus 4 equals to lambda cos 60. That means equating these two. Next equating these two. So y minus 5 is equal to lambda into sin 60. So now we get x minus 4 is equal to cos 60 is 1 by 2, that is lambda by 2. Okay. So x is equal to, we can write lambda by 2 plus 4, and y minus 5 is equal to root 3 lambda by 2. So here I will write y equals to 3 root 3 lambda by 2 plus 5. Okay, but actually we can say the one thing, lambda by 2 is equal to this, lambda by 2 is equal to, you can say lambda also, no problem. Therefore we get x is equal to lambda plus 4, y is equal to root 3 lambda plus 5. These two are the parametric equations. So which is the right option? X is equal to lambda plus 4, y is equal to root 3 lambda plus 5. Or better, if you won't get any confusion, means better you can say here, you can change the parameter now. Say this is R. Now this will be R, this will be R. Then you need not get any confusion. R. So now what do you get now here? Here x minus 4 is equal to, you get R by 2. This will be R by 2 plus 1. This will be 3R by 2. This will be root 3R by 2. Better say, let us say R by 2 is equal to something lambda. Then we get these two equations. 65. 65. Right. If the straight line through the point through the point P of 3 comma 4 makes an angle pi by 6 with the x-axis and meets the line 3x plus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 at Q. The length of PQ is in units. First option 30, second option 30 to root 3 minus 1, third option root 3 minus 1, fourth option 30 into 3 root 3 minus 5. Right. If the straight line through the point P3 comma 4 makes an angle pi by 6 with x-axis in positive direction only and meets the line 3x plus 5y is equal to 0 at Q, then the length of PQ we need to find out. So that means actually here see what we need to find out means the equation of the line passing through the point 3 comma 4 and making pi by 6 tan 30 whose slope is 1 by root 3. Get equation of the line. Solve the equation of the line with 3x plus 5y is equal to 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. We get Q point. Already P point given 3 comma 4. If you find the distance between P point and Q point, you get the answer. This is one of the methods. Otherwise, we can adopt even one shortcut method is there, that I will explain shortcut. So now I will explain the shortcut now. 66. Shortcut you remember. The straight line through the point Px1 comma y1 makes an angle theta with x-axis and meets the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 at q. The length of PQ is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c, just like the perpendicular distance, by a cos theta plus b sin theta. This is the formula. So now here solution for this one. Here x1 comma y1 is equal to how much given in the question? 3 comma 4. Am I correct? What is theta given? Theta is equal to 30 degrees, pi by 6. And next, what is the line given? 3x plus 5y plus 1 equals to 0. So now therefore length of PQ is equal to mod of how much you will be getting? 3 into 3 plus 5 into 4 plus 1 upon a. A means 3 cos theta, cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus b. B means 5. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So now we need to simplify. This is 9 plus 20. 9 plus 20 is 29, 30 by, here 2 is the LCM, 3 root 3 plus 5. This we can write 60 by, because 30 by 1 into 2 by 3 root 3 plus 5. 60 by, this will be 3 root 3 plus 5. You need to rationalize it. That means fourth option will be the right option, I think so. Fourth option you will be getting. 66, you get like this. So 60 by 3 root 3 plus 5. Multiply with the 3 root 3 minus 5 by 3 root 3 minus 5. This equal to 60 into 3 root 3 minus 5 by, this will be a plus b into a minus b. A square, 3 root 3 whole square, 27 minus 25. So 60 into 3 root 3 minus 5 by 2. To 1 ja, to 30 ja. So 30 multiplied by 3 root 3 minus 5 units. This is the answer. So you check it. Sorry. Fourth option. $60 by 3 root 3 plus 5, you need to rationalize it, you will get the answer. $65. So daily actually I'm checking so whether it will be suitable for 9:30 to 11:30, because if you start by 10 o'clock, what happened means by 11:30 11:45, so we generally the power failure may be occurring. That's why just I am checking out, which will be applicable for us, because we need to continue at a stretch, isn't it now? Right. Sixty-sixth question. 66th question. Okay, if even if you come by late also, don't worry, because you can watch a recording session also. No problem. A minus 1 comma 1, B 5 comma 3 are the opposite vertices of a square perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 to the other diagonal which is not passing through A comma B. Of the square is first option 1 by root 10, second option 2 by root 10, third option 3 by root 10, fourth option is 4 by root 10. This is the question. Right. Yes, power cut problem here. So we don't have the inverter problem, so that's the problem here. Right. A minus 1 comma 1, B 5 comma 3 are the opposite vertices of a square. Perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 the other diagonal, which is not passing through A comma B. That means we need to find out the perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 to the other than AB diagonal, second diagonal. So that means first of all we need to find out equation of the second diagonal with the help of the A minus 1 comma 1 and B 5 comma 3. Then find the perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2. So that is the actually plan need to be applied. '66 solution. So this is the square. Say A, this is B, this is say C, this is D. This is one diagonal, this is other diagonal, this is 90 degrees. So A is minus 1 comma 1, the B coordinates are given 5 comma 3. First step is we need to find out equation of this CD. Equation of CD. Equation of CD means CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB. Understood now? So that means first equation of CD. Equation of CD is x1 minus x2 into 2 times x plus 2 times y1 minus y2 of y equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus of x2 square plus y2 square. This is the shortcut we have studied in locus also. The equation of the perpendicular bisector of x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is given by this formula. This is x1 comma y1. Say this is x2 comma y2. Substitute in this one. 2 times x1. x1 means minus 1 minus x2 minus 5 of x plus 2 times y1 means 1 minus 3 of y equals to x1 square plus y1 square. 1 plus 1 2 minus 5 square 25 plus 9 34. 25 square is 25, 9. 25 plus 9 is 34. So this will be minus 12x. This is minus 4y equal to minus 32. Divide by minus 4. Divide by minus 4. So we get 3x plus y equal to 8. Therefore, equation of CD diagonal is 3x minus y, plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So problem has not been solved. So we need to find out perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2. Perpendicular distance from 1 comma 2 to CD equals to formula mod of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. So now in the place of x1 substitute 3 plus 2 minus 8 by root of 9. 3 square is 9 plus 1. This will be mod. 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 8, 5 minus 3. So 3 by root 10. This is the answer. All of you please check the method I adopted. Okay. Today any new viewers are there, you need to subscribe. So third option. Sixty-seven. Okay. the distance between the distance between the straight lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to secant square alpha, and x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to tan square alpha is first option sin 2 alpha, second one is cos 2 alpha, third one is 1, fourth one is 2. Okay, 67 question. Right. The distance between the straight lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to secant square alpha, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to tan square alpha. Just if you observe that these two lines are parallel lines. If they are parallel lines, the distance between the two parallel lines is given by mod of c2 minus c1 by root of a square plus b square formula. So this formula we need to apply. Distance between parallel lines, mod of difference of the constants c2 minus c1 by root of a square plus b square. Right. Solution. Here a is equal to cos alpha, b is equal to sin alpha, c1 is equal to secant square alpha, c2 is equal to tan square alpha. Now distance between them equals to c2 is tan square alpha minus secant square alpha by root of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Very interesting. See, cos square alpha sin square alpha is 1, whereas we know the formula. Secant square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. But here we have reverse. Tan square alpha minus secant square alpha. That we can write minus 1 by root 1 mod. So mod of minus 1 is 1. 1 by root 1 is 1. So 1. That means third option is the right option. No problem. So that's why only I am planning to actually stop the classes. So now slowly their years are decreasing. So I'll take rest tomorrow onwards. So now this actually we can write, multiply with minus sign, you get tan square alpha minus secant square alpha is equal to minus 1. Understood now? That's why I replaced minus 1 here. Root 1 is 1. Mod of minus 1 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. No, even live hours also very less, Mr. Subbarao garu. Just I sent notification also. Because actually we have here power cut problem. So that's why I'm checking the timings, which is suitable for me. In between 9:30 to 11:20 or 10 to 12 is which is the better. And evening is actually we have been facing a lot of problem with power cut and even rain also. Sudden rain is happening, occurring here. So it can be rectified. Okay, 68 question. Okay, better I think so. 9:30 to 11:30 is the better. In between I will say this. And also moreover I would like to confine to the only one session, because evening is a lot of problem. I'm the freelancer actually. If I am interested I will continue, otherwise I will stop. Okay. The perpendicular distance from origin, the perpendicular distance from origin to the line passing through P of 1 comma 2 such that P bisects the part intercepted between the axes is first option root 5, second option 4, third option 4 by root 5, fourth option is root 5 by 4. Right. So Even I suggest you the viewers that actually some of our regular viewers may write the answer directly. Don't worry about that one. So if you know the concept, definitely you practice such problems, definitely everybody will solve the problem. Okay. So now the perpendicular distance from origin to the line passing through P1, 2 such that P bisects the part between the axes. So that means first of all, let this problem into divided into the two concepts. First concept is find equation of the line passing through P1, 2 such that P bisect the part intercepted between the axes. After that, find the perpendicular distance from origin to that line. So we need to find out. So that means, you see, 68. Let me explain clearly. So these are the coordinate axes. This origin. A line cuts makes intercept between the coordinate axes. This is AB. AB is called, the part AB is called intercept made by the line between the coordinate axis x-axis and y-axis. And this P point will be what? Passing through the P1, 2. P is the midpoint. That means actually P divides AB in the ratio 1:1. Then we know one shortcut. What is the shortcut now? The equation of the line, passing through Px1, y1, which bisects, or which is the middle point, which bisects the part intercepted between the axes. That means AB. The P divides AB into two equal parts. This part is equal to this part. Between axes is given by shortcut formula x by x1 plus y by y1 is equal to 2. So now here equation is x by x1 is 1 plus y by 2 equals to 2. Multiply with 2. 2x plus y equal to 4. Now we can write 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now this is the first part. What is the second part? We need to find out the perpendicular distance from origin to this line. This perpendicular distance we need to find out. Some other point, it's not a midpoint. So this distance we need to find out. This is origin 0, 0. So formula is distance formula. Distance formula is equal to mod c by root of a square plus b square. So that means actually perpendicular distance from O is equal to mod minus 4 by root of A. A is 2 and B is 1. 2 square 4, B square 1. 4 by root 5. This is the answer. But initially we used to get more member of viewers. Now what happened I don't know. That's why I'm thinking about this one. I am thinking. Okay, I will try my level best. Okay, actually, so this is the shortcut. You need to remember. 69th. Next, the equation of perpendicular bisector of a line segment AB bar is x minus y plus phi is equal to 0. If A equals to 1 comma minus 2, then AB means the length of AB, length of line segment AB. That means first option is 7 root 2, second option is 6 root 2, third option is 8 root 2, fourth option is 9. Okay, Srivardhan. Right, Malikarjun, you are also correct. But x1, y1 is 0, so that directly we get mod C. Close the door.